If you are looking for a Python developer who can take messy requirements and convert it into a clean working system, that is exactly what I do. My name is Praveen and I am a developer from Sri Lanka. And I have been working as a developer for the past 10 years, working on domains such as robotics, machine vision, machine learning, and currently agentic AI. I currently work as a lead agentic AI developer for a Swedish based startup where we build agentic AI powered chatbots for Swedish healthcare. Prior to that, I worked as a robotics software engineer for a US based startup where I contributed to a major portion of the AI portfolio. And I also helped grow the company from $0 to $8 million in valuation. So I am new to Upwork. However, I'm not new to building systems that are highly reliable and highly efficient. So my goal here is to basically build long-term client relationships while delivering high-quality work. So I always start with a the clean arrangement of the design. Basically, I make sure that I completely understand your requirement and that the scope is well discussed and agreed upon. And then I start the simplest working system, and then I slowly iterate it based on your feedback. And in the process, I will also make sure that you are aware of the trade-off so you can make informed decisions about the design. So if you have a requirement, feel free to like message me. Let's jump on a call and discuss what needs to be done. Thank you.